If you are wondering if there is a charger or power adapter included inside the box of Realme GT 7T, then the answer is yes and no. It actually depends where you are purchasing this phone. For example, if you purchase this phone in Europe, then most likely the charger or power adapter will not be included. In my case, this is the phone from Europe. I purchased it in Europe, and here in most cases chargers are unfortunately not included, so there is no charger. However, if you are from some other regions, for example, if you purchase this phone in India, then you will receive a charger. There will be a power adapter included inside the box. So essentially, if you are uncertain if you usually can find chargers or power adapters inside the boxes of phones, then you can simply ask the person that is selling the phone to you if there is a charger or power adapter included. Sometimes there is also some sort of indicator on the box. I'm not sure if we can find, we can find one in this case. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.